Hello, today I am doing a review for a company that sells diamond painting off-canvas projects. These are hanging projects and they also have desktop projects. So it comes in this box, and then on the back it has the instructions on how you diamond paint. If you've never done it before, it's really easy. It really is. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this. I'm not sure what they sent. I have not looked at it. I just took it out of the Amazon package. And let's see. Okay, well, it's a butterfly. And that is all that is in that. Alright, so it comes with your basic toolkit, which is the green boat, a square of pink wax, and a single placer pen. Now, that is standard with all your diamond paintings. Some might be a little different, but not by much. Now, since this hangs, they've also supplied your chain that you're going to hook to this in order to hang it up. It also comes with your crystals, your special shapes that you're going to put on here. Now, this is acrylic. It is like a plastic, and it is solid on one side. And then on this side is the side that you're going to put your crystals on. Now, right now there is a plastic cover on it. But what you're going to do is you're just going to get a hold of the plastic. Just like this. You can see that this is plastic. You're going to pull it back, and this is going to be very sticky. So what you do is you're going to take your crystals and you're going to dump them in to this little green tray. You're going to shake it. They're going to flip up right the way that they're supposed to sit. Then you're going to take your pen, you dip it into the wax, and then you're going to take and touch the top part of your crystals, and you're going to lay it on here. The glue on here is going to grab it, and it will come off your pen and stay on your project. Now, you can see, if it will focus, that each of these little places has got a number, or they might have a letter, but you can see like that has an A, these are D's, so that's what's going to tell you which one of these you're going to use. So let's look at these. Alright, so you see the D? So when you open this pack, these are D's. You're going to go and you're going to place them on all the little spots that have the D. Same with this one. Has a C. You're going to go around and you're going to place them on the C's. And you're going to do that with each bag. So you've got 1s, 2s, you've got your 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it goes A, B, C, and D. So there's 10 colors. Very pretty. And then you've got your special shapes. Those are really pretty. So that's what you're going to put on here. And that's all you got to do. And then once you're complete, then flip it over, take the protective plastic off of the back, because they put that on there so that it doesn't get scratched in shipping. And then you're going to take your chain. Oop. There's your wax. And now your wax has got plastic covering on each side. So before you dip your pen in it, make sure you remove the plastic. Or don't remove it, just pull it back. Alright, so you got your chain. And you're just going to put it inside that, just like that. These are normally already on your chain. This is really the first time I've ever seen it where you had to put these clips on it, but that's okay, it's no big deal. Okay, so there's your clips, and then this has got right here on the tip of each of these wings. You're just going to flip it on there. Just like that. And then you can hang this on your wall, on your door, wherever you want to hang it. So I will leave a link to this in my description box for y'all to check out. And like I said, they do have others to choose from. I'm not real sure what all they have, but I did see different hanging projects, and they have the desktop. So go check them out. And they also have got some that I seen that were 50% off. So go check their sale out and get you a project to do, because these are very fun and relaxing. So thank you for watching, and check out my description box.